The rest is private business. The international oil companies sell fuel directly to oil marketers in Kenya. The government of Kenya is not a broker. The government of Kenya is not in between. So the entire process is private sector led, private sector driven between international oil companies and our oil marketing companies in Kenya. Our business as government is to underwrite that this transaction will not go haywire, that the credit facility extended to us, the government of Kenya, will backstop. And it is not for me to say it is working or not. I want to challenge the speculators and the agents of the cartels to go and speak to the oil marketing companies in Kenya, to go and speak to the players in Kenya, instead of the speculation, rumor mongering, scamming that is going on. I want to assure them that the fishing they are doing for a scandal in this administration, they are not about to succeed. They can speculate, imagine, dream about a scam. That is how far they can go. I am very clear in my mind, and I want to tell the country, we will make sure that we do the right thing for Kenya. We will live within our means, and we will make sure that we transform the country in a manner that our nation becomes sustainable. I had many people discussing about the dollar compared to the Kenya shilling. I am not going to do what was done the last 2 years, to use our foreign currency, close to $2 billion, to keep an artificial rate of the Kenya shilling.